Imagine walking into the forest and hearing your own voice calling back at you. Meet the lyrebird, nature's ultimate sound machine. This incredible bird, native to Australia, can mimic almost any sound it hears. From chainsaws to camera clicks, even full human sentences. Scientists say lyrebirds have an unmatched vocal memory. They can copy sounds perfectly after hearing them just a few times. If you think parrots are good at talking, this bird will blow your mind. Would you want a lyrebird as a pet? Let me know in the comments. Like and follow for more insane animal facts. Woof!